Hi and Assalamualaikum to Madam Fazida. So we are from Group 5, present about input-output devices. So this is our members, uh, me, Muhammad Aiman, irby, Bryan Maxwell, and Jeff Haston. So this is our table of contents. We have member, titles, introduction, definitions, explanation of input, explanation of output, tips long-term benefit, cons, conclusion, and quote.
Okay, now we will start to the introduction for input and output devices. Input, output, or known as I/O devices, are hardware components that allow users to interact with the computer system. These devices can either provide data to the computer or receive data from the computer. These are the two definitions for input devices and output devices. For input devices, you can see we know We know them as devices that allows users to input data or commands and instructions into a computer system. These devices include keyboards, mice, touchpads, scanners, cameras, microphones, and more. Input devices are essential for users to interact with and control a computer system. For output devices, these are the devices that allow computer system to output data, information, and results to the users. These devices includes monitors, printers, speakers, headphones, projectors, and more. Output devices are essentials for users to receive information and result from a computer system. These are some of the apa, explanation about input devices.
Input device. Some commonly used input devices include keyboard, mouse, scanner, webcam. A keyboard is used to input text and commands into a computer system. A mouse is used to control the movement of the cursor on the screen and to click on the icons and buttons. A scanner is used to convert physical documents or images into digital files that can be stored on a computer. A webcam is used to capture image and video, which can be used for video conferencing, live streaming, and other purposes. Output device. Output devices are used to display or provide data from the computer system. Some commonly used output devices include monitor, printer, projector. A monitor, a monitor displays text, image, and videos on the screen. A printer produces hard copies of documents, images, and other files. A projector is used to display images and videos on a larger screen or surface.
Tips long-term input device is use a protective cover. Consider using a protective cover for your input device, such as a keyboard or mouse. This can help protect it from spill, scratch, and other from the physical damage. Physical damage. Next, avoid eating or drinking near your input device. Eating or drinking near your input device can lead to spill, which can damage the hardware and cause the device to multi-function. Next, avoid placing head object on top of your input device. Placing head object on top of your input device, such as book or other electronic, can damage the hardware or cause it to break. Fourthly, clear your input device regular, regularly clear and input device to prevent the build-up of the dirt, dust, and green. This can help prevent damage to the hardware and is ensure that the device continues to function effectively. Next, be mindful of how you type. Avoid type too aggressively as this can cause damage to the key or switch over time. Instead, type with a light touch. Tips on thumb output device is about exposing your device to direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause the color on your monitor or fan to fade over time. Make sure to position your output device away from direct sunlight. Next, adjust your monitor setting. Adjust the brightness, contrast, uh, and other setting on your monitor to reduce the risk of burn-in. Burn-in occurs when an image is displayed on the monitor for a long period of time and become burned into the screen. Next, use the correct paper and ink. Make sure to use the correct type of paper and ink for your print. Using the wrong types of paper or ink can cause damage to the hardware and result in poor print quality. Fourthly, avoid touching the screen. Touching your monitor screen can leave fingerprint and smart gas, which can be difficult to remove and may damage the screen over time. Use soft, dry cloth to clear the screen. And the next, turn off your device when not in use. Turning off your output device when not in use can help you prolong the life- lifespan and reduce energy consumption. This can also help prevent overheat and other damage.
So these are the benefits of input and output devices. So first, improve user experience. Input and output devices improve the user experience by allowing users to interact with the computer system in a more intuitive and efficient way. Second is increase productivity. With input devices such as keyboard and mice, users can input data and commands quickly and accurately, which can lead to increased productivity. So, third, better accessibility. Input and output devices can provide greater accessibility for users with disabilities. For example, voice recognition software can help users who have difficulty typing or using a mouse. And then we have enhanced communication. Output devices such as printers and speakers allow users to communicate information and results to others quickly and easily. Last, we have versatility. Input and output devices are versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, including gaming, graphic designs, video editing, and more. So, these are the cons of input and output devices. First, it, it is cost. Some input and output devices can be expensive,
especially high-end models designed by specific tasks such as gaming or professional graphic design. Second, compatibility issues. Some input and output devices may not be compatible with certain computer system or software application, which can cause issues or require additional setup. Third, reliability. Input and output devices can fail or break over time, which can result in the need for repairs or replacement. Next one is security risk. Input devices such as keyboard and mice can potentially be used to capture sensitive information such as passwords, and output devices such as printers can also pose security risks if sensitive documents are left unsecured. Last one, health risk. Extended use of certain input devices such as keyboards and mice can potentially cause repetitive strain injuries, and prolonged exposure to certain output devices such as monitors can potentially cause eye strain or other health issue. So, conclusion In conclusion, input or output devices are essential components of a computer system that allow users to interact with it. Understanding the different types of input-output devices and their functions can help users choose the right hardware components to suit their needs. So, this is a quote from David F. Peterson. Input and output devices are the eyes and ears for a computer, allowing it to interact with the world. Thank you for listening out to our presentation. Uh, Thank you everyone, and thank you to Madam Fazida. Assalamualaikum.